In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display. Then select Settings at the bottom right corner. Tap on Icon Size over here. And operate this slider under Icon Size to adjust them. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, select Apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!